Instructions to bring in cash with digital money for online courses. Digital currency is changing businesses around the world, and the instruction area is no exemption. Online course makers, stages, and teachers are progressively investigating ways of coordinating cryptographic money into their plans of action to make new revenue sources. By tolerating crypto installments, sending off token-based environments, or utilizing blockchain innovation, online course suppliers can extend their market, offer novel incentives, and fabricate more effective, decentralized schooling systems. As the reception of cryptographic money develops, so too does its true capacity for teachers to adapt online courses in new and creative ways. In this point-by-point portrayal, we'll investigate different methodologies for bringing in cash with digital money for online courses in 2024, including tolerating crypto installments, offering tokenized instructive stages, giving NFTs, crowdfunding instructive activities, and building decentralized independent associations, DAOs. 1. Tolerating digital currency installments for online courses. One of the most straightforward ways of beginning bringing in cash with digital money as a web-based course supplier is to acknowledge crypto installments from understudies. By offering cryptographic money as an installment choice, you open your courses to a worldwide crowd, including the people who like to involve computerized monetary forms or those residing in districts where conventional financial frameworks might be restricted or exorbitant. Advantages of taking cryptocurrency payments. Worldwide openness. Digital money permits you to offer courses to understudies across the world, no matter what their neighborhood cash or banking limitations. This is especially valuable for understudies in nations where cross-line exchanges are costly or hard to process. Lower exchange charges. Credit cards and PayPal, two examples of traditional payment gateways, frequently charge high transaction fees, up to 5% or more per transaction. Digital money installments for the most part have lower expenses, meaning you can keep a greater amount of your profit. Payments immediately, not at all like charge card installments that can require a few days to clear. Digital currency exchanges are handled in a flash, giving you quicker admittance to your assets. No chargebacks. You won't have to worry about chargebacks, which can be a concern for digital course creators because cryptocurrency payments are final. Stages to assist you with tolerating crypto installments. A few installment passages make it simple to incorporate cryptographic money installments into your internet-based course stage. Probably the most well-known include Coinbase Trade, a platform that makes it possible for businesses to accept payments in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. BitPay, a system for processing payments that can convert crypto payments into fiat currencies like USD or Euro and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. BTC Pay Server, an open-source, decentralized installment processor that empowers you to acknowledge Bitcoin and other digital forms of money without any middle people or extra charges. By offering crypto as an installment choice, you likewise position yourself as a groundbreaking, creative teacher, which can speak to educated students or those generally put resources into the crypto space. 2. Launching tokenized educational platforms. Launching a tokenized educational platform is yet another exciting way to profit from cryptocurrency in the online education industry. Tokenization includes making a blockchain-based symbolic that addresses some worth inside your instructive biological system. These tokens can be utilized to remunerate understudies for finishing tasks, act as installment for admittance to premium substance, or even address an offer in the progress of your instructive stage. Advantages of tokenized schooling. Incentives and student engagement. Tokens can be utilized to boost understudies to profoundly draw in with your foundation more. For instance, you could compensate understudies with tokens for finishing tasks, partaking in conversations, or accomplishing high scores on tests. These tokens could then be traded for limits on future courses, restrictive substance, or even switched over completely to digital money. Token deals and starting coin contributions, ICOs. In the event that you're constructing a bigger web-based training stage, you could raise assets by offering tokens to financial backers or students through an underlying coin offering, ICO. These tokens could address a stake in the stage, giving early allies a monetary motivation to advance your courses and add to the stage's development. Making an environment. With a token-based framework, you can construct an instructive biological system where instructors, students, and content makers connect. Instructors could get tokens as remuneration for their courses, while understudies could procure tokens for taking an interest, which they could spend inside the stage or exchange on outer digital currency markets. Illustration of a tokenized schooling stage. An illustration of this idea is BitDegree, a blockchain-based web-based schooling stage that rewards understudies with digital money for finishing tasks. The stage has its own token, BDG, which can be utilized to pay for courses or traded for other digital currencies. BitDegree's symbolic framework boosts learning while likewise giving instructors better approaches to adapt their substance. 3. Giving NFTs for instructive substance. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are exceptional computerized resources that are put away on a blockchain, and they've turned into a well-known method for addressing responsibility for craftsmanship, music, and, surprisingly, land. In the web-based training space, NFTs can be utilized to address responsibility for instructive substance, endorsements of finishing, or even special opportunities for growth. How NFTs work for online courses. As a course maker, you could give NFTs that address selective admittance to premium course satisfied, like one-on-one instructing meetings, customized criticism, or restricted release learning materials. Students could buy, sell, and trade these NFTs on decentralized marketplaces, giving you as the course creator an additional revenue stream. For instance, you could make an NFT that gives the holder lifetime admittance to your courses as a whole. This NFT could be sold at an exceptional cost, and in the event that the understudy concludes they never again need it, they could exchange it to another student, possibly for a benefit. Through smart contracts, you could receive a portion of the sale each time the NFT is resold, generating a passive income stream. Benefits of NFTs for education. Selectiveness and shortage. NFTs permit you to make a feeling of restrictiveness and shortage around your instructive substance, which can build its apparent worth and request. Royalties. Numerous NFT stages permit makers to procure sovereignties on optional deals, meaning you can keep on bringing in cash each time your instructive NFT is exchanged. Proprietorship and credibility. NFTs give an irrefutable record of possession and credibility, which can be utilized to give carefully designed declarations or recognitions for course fulfillment. Stages like OpenSea or Rarible make it simple to mint and sell NFTs, permitting you to use blockchain innovation to make and sell selective instructive encounters.